Here we are having the integration of sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x, and in denominator we are having the value as sine square x into cos square x. So we will separate the value. I will write it as sine to the power 4x upon sine square x into cos square x dx, plus here you will write it as cos to the power 4x upon sine square x into cos square x dx. So sine to the power 4x can be written as tan square x, and here you will write the same thing as cot square x, but we don't know what is the integration of tan square x plus and cot square x, but we know the integration of sec square x. So here you will write sec square x minus of tan square x, that is equal to 1, and cosec square x minus of cot square x, that is equal to 1. So tan square x can be written as sec square x minus of 1 into dx integration, and here you will write it as cosec square x minus of 1 and dx. So sec square x can be written as tan x minus of x, and this one will be written as minus of cot x. So the last answer that you will get as tan x minus of cot x minus of 2x plus of c.